Good morning, friends. This is time for the trade plan for our YouTube subscribers. Now, yesterday, you all are aware that a COVID vaccine has been announced by Pfizer. Now, let's look at the S&P 500 chart. And finally, the S&P 500 lost a substantial part of its gain. And this is the sort of bar we made. This is a bar which is called a shooting star. Now, this is a fairly bearish bar, but it is subject to confirmation, which means that the low of this bar needs to be taken out in order for this bar to have its bearish effect. Now, what does that mean for us here in India? That means that Nifty could gap up higher. So definitely, I don't think you want to buy. But the kind of strategy that I have made is based on pivots. So we have our pivot chart here, and we are going to open above this R3 zone, which is 12,608. Also, we are trading beyond the weekly zone. This 12,756 is R2 on weekly. So in case we open above 11,600, 11,600 becomes our level where we try to get short on the market in case that starts to get taken out. And then from there we see. But what I want to see is large red bars happening before I take the short side. If they don't happen, we just watch the market. And on the bank nifty, again, if we open above 28,257, that becomes our sort of shorting level if the market is not able to hold this level and we start to see large red bars. Asia right now is flattish. SGX Nifty is at 12,680. So far, the gains are not large, and we'll have to see if these gains, the market start to lose them. As I told you yesterday, that we should try to buy into leisure stocks, which in our case in India are things like PVR, etc. So PVR, Inox, some of the hotel stocks, restaurant stocks like Westlife Development. So all of these stocks, they could do well today. Some amount of correction may be seen on IT stocks, but not a lot. So the idea is that there will be some sort of stock specific outperformance that could be seen for the day. But do not take shorts preempting moves, because you don't want to be trapped on the short side. It is possible that the markets open higher and do not make any further progress. So in that case, there is no call to action. So for the moment, this should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.